Yeah, so I had a steering system failure on my yacht. It's got a Mavi system. It's got two ports for distribution, and then it's got a helm way up there. And the reason it failed was this Raymarine pump. And the reason it failed was due to a factory install error. You can see they've used the optional port, but they haven't blocked off this port, which is the primary reservoir tank port, which is a level of fuckery which never seen before. Like, seriously guys, do you expect this thing, which is a plastic thing to hold pressures of the steering under load? Like, this is totally fucked. So anyway, I'm going to replace that. It's a BSPP 1/4 inch. I got to get a male threaded close fitting, and then I've got optional port hooked up, so that's fine. And they've done this thing correctly, but that's just fucked. I'm glad I got it on land and not at sea, otherwise I'd have been totally fucked. By the way, I've put ATF Dextron 2 in it. Mavi said you can use that in an emergency, so I'll do that, and then I'll flush it with their oil, which is a Shell Rotella T14. And that should hopefully fix it. But that's incredibly fucked. It was way down there as well, so practically impossible to get to. Also, I didn't have the install tools, so I made this little thing with a syringe and a heat shrink. And this is the standard plumbing pipe. So that works well. But yeah, it's totally fucked, which I'm gonna fix.